Here is your cleanest election of all time update. If you were waiting for some arrests, well, here you go. Here you go. Let's celebrate this. Let's pump this information out there and start shaking some of these people engaged in motherfucking election fraud. Big Arizona fraud update. Law enforcement raids non-profits in 2,000 Mules ballot trafficking investigation. And like Tweety Bird, they all sang. That's them stash houses. This is those non-profit organizations run by people like Stacey Abrams, and they were collecting, sure, totally legally, totally lawfully, totally not fortifying a whole bunch of elections. They were getting a bunch of these ballots, and then all of these ballots were then deposited in all of these drop boxes. That's weird. That's weird. It's like we should probably look into this and arrest people conducting malfeasance. Oh wait, we did. Blammo. This is why we need to become sheriffs, lads. That's right, I'm running for office. I want that sheriff badge. I'm coming, assholes, and I'm bringing Ultra MAGA with me. Law enforcement has conducted a raid on Yuma County non-profit organizations connected to the ballot trafficking scheme discovered by Yuma County citizens and revealed in 2,000 Mules documentary. Holy shit! We got some people. This is going to be, if you will, big implications, everybody. Arizona's a hotbed of mess. This is why Fox News' asshole called Arizona 7 minutes after the election started on election night. That was supposed to be the signal flare, I'm guessing, that it's on! We're going for it! We going for it. Arizona flipped blue. Oh yeah, totally flipped blue. That makes a lot of sense. So, what's fascinating is the fake news is sitting there going, nothing to do with 2,000 Mules. Now you want to talk about 2,000 Mules. All of a sudden you want to talk about 2,000 Mules. We finally started arresting stash house operators. You're going to start seeing a bunch of ballot mules getting arrested, and they're going to oh yeah? Yeah? That's weird. Yeah, fucking timing's incredibly coincidental. Sounds like chronological bigotry if you ask me. Anyhow, here's the fake news already trying to spin this. Quote, the Yuma sheriff isn't investigating election fraud for the 2,000 Mules. The Arizona Bureau. I think it was the Arizona Republic. One of these outlets just got absolutely trounced by the Arizona hotness Harry Lake the other day. The film alleges that by using geolocation data purchased by filmmakers, they were able to track ballot mules to drop boxes where they falsely alleged the mules were paid to stuff the boxes with completed ballots. The practice, pejoratively referred to ballot harvesting, is illegal in Arizona and many other states. And they keep doing this, by the way. It's pointed out in this article too. That they keep saying ballot harvesting. This is the state of journalism, by the way, because again, it's an enemy apparatus. In some places, ballot harvesting is legal. These Democrat NGOs and non-profits, of course, Stacey Abrams, they can go out there and a whole bunch of ballots they go, oh, you know, this is a signature, or this one's bent, or this one's and so they get thrown to the side. And all the Democrats, they go through them, they scour them like locusts, and then they go and they cure them. And that ballot harvesting, of course, is legal in Democrat-run shitholes. That's not the same thing as going to apartment blocks, scooping up all of the ballot envelopes, and then taking them to stash houses to then redistribute everything. There's no legality of that at all. And yeah, all of these people dropping off 15 fucking ballots and snapping pictures of them while they do it. Not selfies, but snapping pictures as they drop them into the boxes. Oh yeah. This was debunked. And geolocation doesn't work at all. except when we use it, right? When the deep state lizard people use it to arrest grandmas with little Trump flags, then it makes total sense. Get the fuck out of here. I mean, this is insane. And how do you know? How do you know that it's debunked? How do you know that this is a pejorative being used because this was totally legitimate? Get the fuck out of here. Again, we are now we're raiding these places. So this is very likely coming out. We just got a tip that there's some big developments in the election corruption investigation in Yuma County, Arizona, possibly including law enforcement raids on non-profits potentially associated with Stacey Abrams, of course, involved in ballot trafficking. If you think Stacey Abrams is just the Georgia ballot trafficking vacuum, she all over the place. There you go. Just go on. Just breaking this down, but you notice. There you go. Stash houses being ready. You're going to see this in areas where you've got based sheriffs in red areas. See, they had to fortify the election in a lot of red areas. Well, those red areas that have red city councils and red mayors and red sheriffs, we're gonna fucking arrest you. We're coming for the whole lot of you. We got videos. They're finally starting to release a little bit of the videos where people are going to, the same person is going to multiple drop boxes on multiple days, dropping off multiple tranches of ballots. Oh, that's just a ballot? It's like, okay, none of it's legal. None of it's legal. You know this, we know this, we know that you know that we know this.